Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. So on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your YouTube caption properly. Actually, we are going to be customizing how the YouTube caption displays on your YouTube player. Now let's dive into that. So go over to the YouTube application and open it. And now locate your profile icon on the top right hand area where the mouse is right now. Click on that and then scroll over to the settings section and select. Now scroll down to the caption section and click on caption. Now if you click on caption, currently it's turned off. Go ahead and turn that caption on. And if you notice on this screen section, this is actually a preview of your caption. And you notice right here, it says caption will look like this. Now, go ahead and select your default language. And I usually use Nigeria. And if there is English Nigeria, that's what I choose on default. But if there is no English Nigeria, I make use of any English like US or English UK. Okay. Let me choose this. Now the next one, you notice the text size, right? Now you notice this area, it says text size normal. Click on that and then click on very small. You notice it appears very small. Now if you have a short sight, you won't be able to see this properly, just like me. So click on that and then go ahead and make it normal. I use normal anyway, but click on the small size. You can see the small size. If it's okay for you, leave it that way. But if it's not okay, you can also make this large and you can also make this extra large. I mean, very large. So this is actually going to cover a lot of space on your screen if you're not doing a wide screen. So go ahead and choose something that is unique. I think this one is actually okay, but if for some reason you prefer the normal, go ahead and leave that on normal. But I think I like this because while watching the video, it actually gives you a lot of information on the video while reading the caption. And then another another word you need to change is the caption style. When you click on the caption style, you'll be able to actually change the background of the caption and the text of the caption. If you prefer white and black text, you can choose that. And if you prefer this blue, you can choose that also, or probably yellow. So choose any one you think is fine and then leave that on default. Now let's go ahead and test that out. So let me go ahead and choose it, choose this particular guy, and let's hope.
The result of a football or basketball.
There is always advert. Alright guys, this is our preview, and let's scroll and skip the video a little.
And I think most of you guys.
Now you can notice how the caption is displaying right there, small and looking very sharp. So if you think this is too small, go ahead and increase that and let it fit whatever style you like. Keep changing it until you're satisfied. So that is all I want to show you guys on today's video. That is how to change your caption or to customize your caption on YouTube. And I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. I will see you guys on my next video. Please stay safe and peace.